Hey now, this is Grace Marie Jones of CaughtUp Consulting's Abounding Credit Division, and it's FICO Friday, and I wanted to talk to you today about inquiries and how that all impacts the FICO score. Now, FICO scores can range from 300 to 850 points. That gives you, as a consumer, a potential to earn 550 points in total, and for inquiries, 10% or 55 points. Okay. Now, let's just even discuss what inquiries are. So, this is how it works. Anytime you as a consumer applies for credit, the potential lender, after receiving your signed application, whether you sign it manually or electronically online, is authorized to request a copy of your credit report and score to evaluate whether or not they'll approve you for whatever it is that you're requesting or applying for. Well, when that happens, the inquiry is recorded with the credit reporting agency or the credit bureau that they submit their request to, and immediately 5 to 10 points are deducted. Now, the greatest impact of those points being deducted lasts for about 6 months, but altogether, it's about 2 years that an inquiry will remain on your credit report. So we're looking at just how they're looking at your habits of how you apply for credit anyway. And we want to minimize the number of inquiries so that we can maximize the number of points that we have on the credit report. And of course, this has a direct correlation to your credit score. There is an exception when you are shopping for big ticket items such as auto loans or mortgages. Then within a 45-day window, that application or the multiple applications are not seen as separate inquiries and separate deduction of points, but they're seen as a single inquiry, and you don't see as great an impact as if you were, say, shopping for consumer debt and you had numerous inquiries. So now, this is the goal that I set. Whether you're doing your own credit improvement journey or are you trusting Abounding Credit Division of CaughtUp Consulting to work with you on it, the recommendation or the recommended goal is for you to refrain from applying for credit for the next 180 days. Why? Because it's going to take a good 6 months for you to up your credit score, improve your credit overall, and maybe even get the better rate even once you're approved, once that goes through. Well, this is the end of our FICO Friday series. I hope that you received value, and I look forward to seeing you. Visit us at CaughtUpConsulting.com. There you'll find, again, those informative videos and articles, as well as answers to frequently asked questions, and you can schedule a consultation. And we look forward to being part of your credit improvement journey, and look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.